D-Mac on the fucking track.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Game Messiah. So I've been dealing with this damn Chevy, man. I've been trying to drive my shit. For some reason, something keep draining the battery. I don't know if the alternator fucked up or what the case may be. I had a starter on there and I had shims on there and it didn't need no shims. So when I was starting, it was making a whole bunch of cranking goofy ass noises. I fixed that. And once I fixed that, my music started cutting out, so which led me to believe it had to be the alternator or the battery. So, you know, now if I jump it, once I turn the car off, the motherfucking need a jump to start back up, even if I thought I'd let it ran for a minute. So I'm finna hop in there, I'm finna jump it off, then I'm finna hop in there, we finna ride the AutoZone, and we finna test this motherfucker, man. I gotta see if it's the alternator or the battery. So once I get that done, you know what I'm saying, we know where to go from there. But I'm finna get out this car and jump the motherfucking box, and I'm gonna cut you back on. Yeah, I'm finna jump it off. I got a jump started, so I'm finna jump it in.
D-Mac on the fucking track.
Alright, y'all, so I got it started. I'm finna unhook this motherfucker, take it up to the AutoZone. Motherfucking battery tested. Like I say, once I get this battery tested and this motherfucking alternator tested, I'm gonna know what's going on, what the problem is, everything. So I'm trying to figure this out right now, y'all. Cut y'all back on in a minute. I'm sorry. Man, we in the Chevy, man. Take this bitch up to the AutoZone real quick so I can get this motherfucker looked at and this damn alternator tested so I can know what I need to do. Once I get that done, cut y'all back in. We in this bitch, we riding though. What's up, YouTube? So I took this motherfucker to AutoZone to go get my motherfucking alternator checked, which it was bad. I know it was. And this motherfucker ran out of gas on me because I forgot to put some motherfucking gas in it. But I got my people on the way right now. They coming to get me. And I'm finna get this motherfucker on home. So once I get it to the crib, I'm gonna cut y'all back in. Stay tuned. YouTube, like I said, I got this hoe back home, man. And she just giving me all kind of hell, but all I gotta do is switch the alternator now. So once I change this alternator, I'm gonna be back in the game. I'm gonna have some more footage for y'all in a minute. But till then, man, make sure y'all stay tuned. I need to be taking the alternator off right now. Go ahead, so they can motherfucking replace my shit. But I got so much going on, I'm just gonna chill out for the rest of the day. It's over with. So make sure y'all tap in, man.